Chapter 11 Models. Okay, models or modal excuses are verbs that are placed before ordinary verbs: permission, possibility, certainty, necessity, ability, and suggestion. Example: Rita can go to school tomorrow. Okay, here can indicates the possibility of Rita going to school. Some examples of modal verb or modal excuses are or as follows: can, could, may, might, will, would, must, and ought to. ओके, फीचर्स देखते हैं मॉडल्स और वर्ब्स. दे कैन कम बिफोर मेन वर्ब. They express permission, possibility, ability, necessity, certainty, and suggestions. Modals do not change according to the number of person of subject. Example: I can type very fast. You can type very fast. He can type very fast. They have no ring or it forms. Negative sentence with modals are formed by using not or not. Example: I cannot run very fast. I can't run very fast. Okay, so main modals and their use: can and could are used. Express ability and or capacity. Example: I can cross the rivers. When I was young, I could cross the river. Past tense. Seek and grant permissions. Example: can I go now? Yes, you can go. Could: yes, you send me the documents. For seeking permission in an information manner. Can is used. Could is used in extreme situations and while being very polite. Express possibility. Example: he can come today. He could come today. Possibility यहाँ पे शो की गई है. Could is also used when there is a weak possibility of something happening. Express an offer or a suggestions देना है. Example: you can leave your books with me. I can drop you to school. Here are more examples of A है I can make a omelette all by myself. She can invite us today. You can go for movie with friends. Fill in the blanks with can or could. In someone's sentence, both can and could may be used. First, mother, can I have a bread and butter for breakfast? Okay. So यहाँ पे दिया गया है some sentence both can and could may be used. यहाँ पे use करना है. Okay. So she said that as a little girl she could do this exercise with eyes. Third है the drive asked the passerby, could you please tell me the way to the stations. Sorry, I'm not sure but I think could come today. You can take a rickshaw to go to office. एंड अभी हम यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे मे एंड माइट. दे आर मोस्टली यूज इन फॉर्मेट सिचुएशन टू सीक और एक्सप्रेस परमिशन. मे आई कम इन. यू मे कम इन. ही सेड दैट माइट गो इन. ओके, परमिशन ली है इसे मे. इस तरीके से हमने मे एंड माइट यूज़ किया है. माइट इज यूज्ड एज द पास्ट इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ मे. एक्सप्रेस चांस और पॉसिबिलिटी. एग्जाम्पल: इट मे रेन टुमारो. इट माइट स्नो टुमारो. ओके, माइट इज यूज्ड व्हेन देयर इज अ वीक पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ समथिंग हैपनिंग. Express an offer or suggestions. Example: you may consult my doctor for your treatment. I might visit the farm before deciding to buy it. May is also used to express wishes, hopes, and prayers. May God fulfill your wishes. May you lead a healthy life. Circle the appropriate words. Baby is crying. It may or might be hungry. He told me that he may or might go to the pretty. Wednesday may or might holidays. May or might you live happily ever after. सर्कल द अपोजिट ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स, उस पे जो वर्ड्स आएगा उसको पे सर्कल करना है. लुक एट हियर, यहाँ पे किए हुए हैं, आंसर दिए गए हैं, राइट क्लिक किया गया है. ओके, शी मे और माइट गो टू लंडन सून. रोमा मे और माइट कंसल्ट डेंटिस्ट टुडे. यू may or might come and join the pretty. May or might you achieve success. Will and shall. Models will and shall are used to suggest, to promise, or go to give some kind of assurance. Example, A. We will come to your wedding. You shall have a holiday tomorrow. Express simple futures. Example, we will need the money on her weddings. We meet again. Small is used. A. Ask the will of the person address. Example, shall I buy you an ice cream? B. Offer a suggestion. Example, shall we seek the help of experts? Seek advice. Example, what shall I do about it? Indicate obligations. Example, members shall pay the membership fees regularly. Feel is used to A. Express decisions made or intentions expressed read at the time of speaking. Example, I will come back within an hour. Predicted. Example, you will be a great businessman one day. Formally announces some future event. Example, the President of India will inaugurate the exhibitions on Monday. To indicate habits and characteristics. Example, he will always have a cup of coffee after supper. Fill in the blanks with will or shall. Okay, shall I buy you a cup of tea? I will return after years. Third है, the chief minister will preside over the meeting on Tuesday. The child is genius. He will become a great scientist when he grow up. 5. So shall I ask the police to help you find your purse? Next, should and would. Okay, should is used as a past equivalent of shall. Example, he asked her whether he should buy an ice cream. To express duty or obligations. Example, we should follow traffic rules. Okay, to express the logical deductions. Example, there is a hug traffic near the station. Chuck should be late for dinner. To suggest, to give advice or ask for suggestions or advice. Example, you should express regularly to be fit. Should be exercise regularly. To indicate probabilities. Example, India should with the match against Australia. Would is used as the past equivalent of will. Example, I said that I would come the next day. It indicates past habits or characteristics. Example, Raman will take a walk every morning in the local park. Sometimes would is used to make a political request. Example, would you please pass me the papers? Tick write the appropriate words. First, since you are interested in music, you should or would join a music school. India has scored above 300 runs. They should or would win the match. Third, student above their teacher. He told me that he gave me the iPod after repairing it. should or would you please lend me your pen? This medicine should or would be kept in the refrigerator. You should or would apologize for your behavior. During these summers, my daughter should or would be visiting me in London. Must and to out to uh, must is used to express strong obligations. Example: you must improve your handwriting. Express a necessity. Example: the country must assure education for all. Out to is used to express moral duty. Example: you ought to help the poor and the needy. Out it to indicate that it is the right thinking to do. Fill in the blanks with correct words from the brackets. First है, he is so intelligent that he might read at age of 3. You will take my umbrella in case it rains. It is almost dark out. Remember, modal or modal auxiliaries are verbs that are placed before ordinary verb and express permission, possibility, certain and necessary ability and suggestions. They have no inch or and formers. Can and called express ability or capacity. She can grant permission, possibility and after suggestion. Might is past equivalent of may. Sometimes use it when there is a weak possibility of sometimes happening. They are mostly used in formal situations to book or express permission, express chance or possibility, express an after or a suggestion, and also to express wishes, hope and prayers. Shall is used to ask will the permission after a suggestion, seek advice, indicate obligations. Will is announce some future event, indicate habits and characteristics. Past equivalents of shall is used to express duty or obligations, express logical deductions, to suggest or advise or ask for suggestions and advice, to express logical deductions, indicate probabilities. Past equivalents of will indicates parts, habits, and there is sometimes used to make a polite request. Must is used to express strong obligation, express a necessity. Out to use it to express moral duty and probability.